Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to manage Claude AI privacy settings. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and sign into your Claude AI account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Claude AI dashboard. If you want to delete a single conversation, look at the left sidebar where your recent chats are listed. Click the three-dot menu and then select Delete. This will permanently remove that conversation from your chat history. If you want to delete multiple conversations, click Chats from the menu. Then click Select Chat, choose the conversations you want to remove, and click Delete. Before confirming, make sure you've selected the correct chats because this action cannot be undone. Next, let's adjust your privacy settings. Click on your profile icon or your name in the bottom left corner of the screen, then select Settings. Inside the Settings page, open the Privacy section. Here you'll find the Help Improve Claude option. If you don't want your conversations to be used to help improve Claude AI, simply turn this option off. This gives you more control over how your data is used. If you no longer want to use Claude AI, you can also delete your account. Open the Account section inside Settings and click Delete Account. Read the information carefully before continuing, as deleting your account is usually permanent and may remove your chat history and account data. And that's it. So that's basically how you can manage Claude AI privacy settings. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.